All right, in this video, I'm going to go over a couple problems that involve scale factors. In one problem, I'm going to help you find the scale factor, and in another problem, I'm going to give you a scale factor and ask you to find dimensions. So let's start with this first one. Ava is running for school president, and her friend designed her rectangular campaign poster, which measured 36 inches by 24 inches. Ava liked her poster so much she reproduced the artwork on a rectangular button which measured 4 inches by 2 2/3 inches. What is the scale factor? Well, right away, what I want to do is identify which one is the original image. The poster here is the original image, so these are going to be my X values. My scale drawing is the button, and these are my new Y values. And to find the scaled factor, I'm going to do Y divided by X. It's just like finding the constant of proportionality. So let me see. Let me start with my lengths here. Here are my Y. So if I do Y divided by X, I'm going to do 4 divided by 36. I'm going to simplify, and I get 1/9. Okay, let me try my other Y and my other X. I'm going to do 2 2/3 divided by 24, and I get 1/9 as well. So my scale factor is going to be 1/9. Now this should make sense because this is just a fraction. And whenever the scale factor is less than 1, there's been a reduction. Now, if you go from a poster to a tiny button, it should make sense that the image had to be reduced. And the new image is 1/9 of the size. All right, next. The scale factor of a floor plan of a house says that every 1 inch corresponds to 15 feet in real life. A living room is 20 feet wide and 24 feet long. What is the width of the living room on the floor plan? What is the length of the living room on the floor plan? What is the area of the living room on the floor plan? So I'm going to use this ratio they told me. Every 1 inch on the floor plan is 15 feet in real life. Every 1 inch on the floor plan is 15 feet in real life. And then they told me to find the width of the living room on the floor plan. In real life, the width is 20 feet. So I'm going to put an unknown for the width of the living room on the floor plan, and I'm going to solve by cross multiplying. And I get 15x equals 20 times 1. I divide both sides by 15, and I get x is 1 1/3. Here, I don't know the length on the floor plan, but I know the length in real life is 24 feet. So I can solve by cross multiplying as well. 15 times x is 15x. 24 times 1 is 24. Divide both sides by 15, and I get x equals 1.6. And then to find the area of the living room on the floor plan, I'm going to do area equals length times width, which is 1.6 times 1 1/3. Then I calculate that to be 2 2/15. All right. Okay, a model of a 30-foot house was made using the scale of 4 inches to 24 inches. What is the height of the model? So I can start by saying, okay, I know that 4 inches on the model is 24 inches in real life. I don't know the height of the model, but in real life, the house is, this says 34 feet tall, but I need inches, so I can't put 30 feet here because everything is in inches, how I set this up. So I could do 30 feet where every foot is 12 inches. How many inches is that? That's 360 inches. So I can plug in 360 inches, but I couldn't plug in feet if I started with inches and inches. All right, I can solve by cross multiplying. And I get 24x equals 360 times 4. 24x equals 1,440. Divide by 24, divide by 24. X equals 60. So my answer is going to be 60. Now there is another way of solving this. If you notice that something's in feet and you notice both these are in inches, you could change the ratio they gave you to be, okay, wait, this is 4 inches is how many feet? Well, 24 inches is 2 feet. So I could have solved this saying 4 inches in the model is 2 feet in real life, If in real life the house is 30 feet, how many inches would the model be? Then I could have cross-multiplied that and get 2x equals 120. Divide by 2, x equals 60. And either way, I would have gotten that the model is 60 inches. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Please see me if you have any questions.